Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change the language on Facebook in 2025. So whether you want to switch to English, Hindi, Spanish or any other languages, make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for facebook.com. If you are using it in your mobile application, you need to simply open that and log in into your account. Over here, you need to go to your profile icon, then select the option of settings and privacy, then select the option of settings again. Now here in your settings, in the left hand section, you will see a bunch of different options. So if you don't want to get overwhelmed of these much of options, I would recommend you to use the search bar here and search for language. Now once you search for language, you will find the tab of language and region. So you need to simply click on it. Over here, you will see Facebook language post translation, multilingual posts. So you need to simply click on the English option over here and Facebook languages will come like this. By default, it will be English US, but if you want to change the language to Hindi, you need to simply select it and everything will come in the Hindi language. But you will have to refresh the page or it is going to be refreshing the page for you. Now you can click on this option again and from the given list you can select any other languages. Let's say I want to select Spanish. Now it is again gonna be refreshing the page, and as you can see, this is the Spanish language that I have selected for my Facebook account. So this is how you can change your language on Facebook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips, and comment below if you want any tutorial on changing languages on Instagram or Messenger next. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.